Hello everyone and welcome to this demo recording. My name is Kristina Mihailova and I'm a BI Anaplan consultant at BI Company. Today I'm going to talk about the Anaplan platform and what Anaplan is all about. I will first focus on some key features of the platform and the major benefits of using it. So let's start. Anaplan is a cloud-based platform for business planning and modeling. Anaplan enables every business function to make more informed decisions based on faster and more effective planning processes. The cloud platform is not stored on your computer, and everyone can access the same environment through the internet. Within the cloud, you can have your own private area of Anaplan, called your workspace. You can control who will have access to your workspace, where your models will be located. The connected planning. Let's have a closer look into the connected planning features. Anaplan platform supports planning in all business processes, such as sales, finance, supply chain, IT, marketing, and HR. On top of that, Anaplan can join all these processes, which it calls the connected planning. The connected planning feature enables organizations to accelerate decision-making by connecting people, data, and plans across the business. This is the state where technology systems are connected and bring in the right data, enabling companies to make quicker decisions on more up-to-date and accurate information. Another key feature of the platform is the hyperblock architecture, which delivers the speed and agility you need for a more effective planning than ever before. This patented breakthrough feature enables to recalculate massive models at a spreadsheet-like speed. It allows the users to turn operational complexity into powerful, easy-to-use models. By combining the patented hyperblock data architecture with Anaplan in-memory calculation engine, the platform can handle data down to the transactional level with no deterioration in performance. Another key feature of Anaplan is the pre-built apps designed for business users. They represent purpose-built apps with built-in best practices available in one click in the Anaplan Hub. What-if scenario. This strategic advantage of Anaplan answers complicated quantitative questions, increase accuracy of decisions, and improve business outcomes. Anaplan enables you to model out each scenario and test out the impact of each scenario on your financial results. Let's move on to the key benefits of living in the cloud. The major benefit is the scalability. Only Anaplan offers scalable in-memory technology, able to handle tens of billions of cells in one model and recalculate a billion numbers in less than a second. The dimensionality. Anaplan's dimensionality feature allows data to be aggregated different ways and enables drill down to the transactional level of details. Data consistency. Anaplan platform is powered by the hyperblock technology that enables thousands of concurrent users to access a single unified source of information for planning, thus helping to ensure the consistency, quality, and integrity of the data. Anaplan's flexibility. Anaplan supports planning in all business processes, ad hoc on-the-fly updates and analysis, and real-time reporting. The platform is very flexible in terms of data management as well. Anaplan works with data inputs from a variety of sources like ERP, General Ledger, Data Warehouse, and external data sources. Now I'd like to move on to the second part of this demo, which looks at the Anaplan model structure. Each Anaplan model has the same basic structure. This structure could be broken down into three conceptual areas called the building blocks of the Anaplan model. The first one is the central library. The central library is where you store your dimensions. Dimensions give meaning to our data. The central library is the collection of all dimensions your company will use to give meaning to its data. This is the reference section that will be used for the creation of the rest two building blocks. Within the central library, there are three main dimensions: time, versions, and lists. The time dimension sets the time scale that you will use throughout the rest of the model. The versions enable you to compare different scenarios for the data in a model. For example, you can compare a version that contains actual data against a version that holds forecast data or budget data. Lists comprise the remaining dimension in the central library. Lists are groups of related items such as customers, accounts, products, territories. They are fundamental to Anaplan as they define the structure and content of a model. These are the structures that make the multidimensional nature of the Anaplan models. The engine. This is the second building block of the Anaplan model. This is where your modules are collected. You could think of modules as similar to Excel workbooks. This is where data gathering and analysis happens in your model. Each module is built with dimensions from the central library. The dimensions remain in the central library, but they are freely used or are referenced by any module in your model. The end user experience. The end users are the people who are going to be working with your model on a day-to-day basis. You could customize the user experience of these users through the use of dashboards. Within the dashboards, you can pull in different elements from the central library and the engine, whatever you consider as relevant and will meet the needs of your users. You could include graphs, charts, and tables, all that show results or forecasts over time that are important for your end user. I hope this demo successfully introduced you to the Anaplan platform and is only your first step toward exploring its full potential. Thank you for the attention and enjoy your day. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.